Hey there, I'm Hilary. Welcome to Primary Planet. Today I'm going to show you how to fold some mini books with just one piece of paper. So grab some paper and let's get started. Alright, so what I have here is a piece of paper. We're going to start with some highly technical folding terms, such as folding like a hot dog. Just means folding the long way. Alright, or folding like a hamburger, which is folding the short way. Easy peasy. All right, so the first little mini book that we are going to be making is a 1-page, and since it's already folded, that's fantastic. There you go. Fold it again, make some nice creases. This also makes a really great little greeting card, but here's page 1, or the cover. Page 1, page 2, page 3. Okay, you could also do it this way, so it flips open. Now, if you have a pre-printed one, such as this one, you have to be a little bit more careful so that this page is the cover. So again, we're going to fold it like a hot dog. Right on those dotted lines. And then we're going to fold it again. This one is a longer version. So there's. If you are looking for the pre-printed version, you can find the link down below. All right, so here is another way to fold a mini book, 1 page. Fold like a hot dog. Okay, then you're going to fold it into thirds. So you're going to fold it in this way. And this way. Then this is the cover. Page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, or this way. Again, if you have a pre-printed one, such as this, fold it in half like a hot dog. Turn around. All right, then you're going to fold on the dotted lines. There's also a little bit of a different version of that one. It looks like this. So again, you're going to fold it like a hot dog. And you're going to fold on this dotted line. This one. So there's your cover. Page, and then this one is a longer page in the middle. Okay, for this one you need 1 piece of paper and a pair of scissors. So you are going to fold it in half, hot dog style. Then fold it in half again, hamburger style this time. Then fold it in half one more time. If you like, you can use your scissors to make nice sharp creases. Okay. Then you're going to open it up and fold it again, hamburger style, just to make it easy to cut. You're going to just cut to this fold here. So you're going to cut on the line, and you're going to stop. Okay. So when you open it up, it looks like this. All right. So then what you're going to do is you're going to fold it hamburger style, and then you're going to push into the center. Make sure everything's all nice and lined up. Then you're going to fold it like this. And then here's your cover. Page, 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 and the back. So that is how you make several different types of little mini books. There's all kinds of ways you can use them. You can put them in your writing center. You can, in the editable version, if you're interested, you can add your own clip art or your own titles. So then you can make your own like little mini book prompts. You could use these for like vocabulary words. So each page is a different word. They draw a picture. They write what it means. There's all different kinds of ways. If you're interested, I do have several blog posts about different ways that you can use mini books in your classrooms, and you can also find that down in your description. Thanks so much. Have a great day.